I'll give the example of Vande Bharat. When Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he decided that yes, we must have our own world-class train. The first thing that our people did was to go to every possible country, to Germany, to Japan, to France, and say that, okay, we'll bring this, we'll import this technology. No. When they made the presentations to PM said no. Our engineers in Bengaluru, in Hyderabad, in Chennai, in Pune, they are designing for the world. They are designing for the world. The products that are designed using our brains are running the entire world. Why shouldn't we keep faith? Why shouldn't we have confidence in our own engineers? Why shouldn't we give this responsibility to our own people? Let them design. There will be iterations, there will be version 1, version 2, version 3, fine. But as we develop, as we create technology, we learn on the way, and we'll develop something which will be world-class and will be lower in cost. That's the thought process by which the Vande Bharat train was designed. How many of you have had an opportunity to travel by it? To benchmark it with the best in the world. How do you benchmark it with the best in the world? 0 to 100 kmph, riding quality, sound level inside the train, acceleration, deceleration, all these things, ergonomics of the seats. These are the world-class features. So, if you take the best in the world, bullet train, Shinkansen of Japan, how much time does it take to reach from 0 to 100? 54 seconds. 54 seconds. Now imagine, these are large, these are not like car which can, you press the pedal and zoom. It's not like that, right? These are large vehicles, very large vehicles, 700, 800 tons, correct? So, Vande Bharat, any guess? 0 to 100? Guess? Bullet is 54, I gave you the hint. Any guess? Morning breakfast was poor. Or too much breakfast. Guess. It can be wrong. What is there? 90. 2 minutes. 52 seconds. 54, 52. Right? Which has better acceleration? Vande Bharat has better acceleration. Aeroplane, when you fly, the noise level inside an aeroplane, right? How many of you are math guys here? Logarithmic scale, decibels. L&T guys? Professor? You're raising. Okay. So the noise level inside Vande Bharat is 100 times less than the noise in an aeroplane. 100 times. 100 times. How many of you have seen that video where the train is running at 180 kmph and we kept a glass of water on the driver's cabin like this? You have seen that video? What happens? What happens? The water doesn't even spill. The water doesn't even, it's there in my phone. If you haven't seen, do watch this. It will give you a lot of pride. It's a matter of pride for our country that our Prime Minister took the risk of developing a train. See, this is the video. Difficult to see for you, but you can check it out on YouTube. 180 kmph, 180 kilometers per hour. The train is running between Kota and Nagda, and this is the glass of water. There is no Fevicol under it, right? There is no fix-it under it. It's a glass kept exactly the way it is kept here. And the water doesn't spill at all. That's the, I don't want to take the risk here. So that's the design accuracy. What's important is for the generation which is going to be the decision makers when India is at 100 years of its independence. How many of you are in that generation? 35 years minus. You guys are going to decide what India is going to be when we are 100 years in century of our independence, right? When you guys become the key decision makers, CEOs of your companies, ministers, right? In your own households, in your own families, the top person, deans, professors, right? By that time, India would have developed so many technologies. India would have taken this great leap forward that our Prime Minister is giving us this vision that we will be a developed country. India will be a developed country. That will not happen automatically. That will not happen automatically. That will require tremendous amount of effort. That will require tremendous amount of persistence, tremendous amount of innovation. This example of the post office is that kind of innovation. I congratulate CPMD Saab. He always comes up with many nice solutions, many nice innovations. Very recently, he had given this idea of a digital address, DAC. That idea came from Mr. Rajendra Kumar. That kind of ideation, that kind of initiative is something that will take our country forward. That's what we need.